How to fix Temu games disappearing. In order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. Also make sure that your application is up to date. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Head over to you at the bottom of the screen. So in this page, you should see the option of Earn Credits and Free Gifts or Fishland. But also in my account, the option is not available. It's because you haven't set the country or the region to United States. First, you have to make sure that the country or the region is set to United States. Head over to Settings at the top right corner of the screen. Move into Country and Region. Scroll all the way down and then select United States. Click on Switch to United States. Once you have switched, now what you want to do is head over to You at the bottom of the screen. Well, now you can see the option of Fishland has appeared. It means that your Temu games has appeared. Now you can simply head over to Fishland and then follow the on-screen process in order to play the game. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Temu games disappearing. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.